It's festival season in Tangipahoa Parish, and TRAC, Tangipahoa Reshaping Attitudes for Community Change, invites everyone to enjoy our festivals but celebrate safely. With that, 6fortheseason.com, we have a number of great non-alcoholic mocktails, recipes, and videos for you to enjoy, all highlighting the great festivals in Tangipahoa Parish. One of my favorite festivals, the Italian Festival, coming up in April. And with that is Robert Fugarino, this year's chairman. What makes the Italian Festival so special?
So for 5 decades, the Italian Festival has celebrated the heritage of the community and is one of the most anticipated festivals in April.
And when this year, what should you expect when people come to the festival?
So when they come this year, they're going to have a lot of bands, a lot of great food, and they're also going to have a pizza eating contest that the Queens will be participating in, and also a tomato toss that the public can actually play in.
Now that sounds some fun, get some community involvement for the participants there, but you talked about music. The Italian Festival always had great bands.
We do. We have a great lineup this year, starting off with the Dominoes opening us up on Friday night, and closing us on Friday is going to be Rockin' Doopsie.
Great entertainment. Yeah. And also you mentioned food. With any good Italian family, food is a centerpiece.
Food is definitely a centerpiece. So this year, once again, our Knights of Columbus are going to have the lasagna, the spaghetti and meatballs. You're going to have cannolis, artichokes, just in a vast variety of Italian foods.
Easy to get to in Tickfall, right on Highway 51, so invite everybody to come out to the Italian Festival. With us now is our queen, Lily DiBenedetto, and this year has been a fun year for you as queen.
Yes, it has. It's been such an incredible experience.
With that, what all have you done so far this year as a queen since you've been crowned?
Well, I've gotten to travel the state of Louisiana and see so many things, see so many different places, and really get educated on our different fairs and festivals across the state, which has been an amazing experience for me.
As a Tickfall native, how special is it to be this year's Italian Festival queen?
Well, it's very important for me because I'm a third-generation immigrant. So my great-grandparents actually came over here on a boat from Italy. And having such a big family and having such a close-knit tie with our origins in Italy, it's just so important for me to be able to represent my heritage and represent my hometown.
Well, that's great. It's good. We're looking forward to a great festival. Yeah, Italian iced tea is always a festival goer favorite, and it's going to be provided here on the festival grounds all throughout the festival. So with that, can you share your recipe of how you make Italian iced tea?
Absolutely. So for the Italian iced tea, you're going to start off with 8 cups of water, and then you're going to move into your 4 black tea bags. You're going to put them in your water and let them steep for a little while. Once that's finished, you'll go ahead and pour them into your pitcher.
Nice dark tea, which is so important.
Yes.
All right.
So after we pour our tea into the pitcher, we're going to go ahead and drop some sugar in.
The sweet tea is very important for the Italian iced tea.
Yes. And after that, we're going to go ahead and rim our glasses to make it a little bit more festive. So we're going to dip our cup in the water and then into our garnish over here in our favorite colors, representing the flag, green, white, and red. Then we'll go ahead and put some ice in there. Pour our tea.
I'll do the honors, please.
And add our garnish on the top. So we're going to add an orange slice, a lemon slice, a piece of mint,
and to finish it with the cherry.
Cherry on top, right there. I'm Lily DiBenedetto, your 2026 Italian Festival Queen, inviting you to the Italian Festival the last full weekend in April to enjoy your Italian iced tea.
Lily, thank you so much. We appreciate you taking the time out. We're looking forward to the Italian Festival, looking forward to some iced tea along with the other great food. We'd also like to thank TRAC for what they do in the community, helping people, reminding people to celebrate safely whenever they're out at the festivals and any time. So thank you again, TRAC. Thank you, Lily. Thank you, Italian Festival. Come out and enjoy it. And for other great recipes, visit 6fortheseason.com.